Alright, so this is a video request from Lamont the fan man. He wanted to see a video of this little Polar-Aire fan again. This is not the one I made a video of a few years ago. It's an identical model. I believe, if I remember correctly, it's got the same manufacture date too, which I think was like 12... what is it? October 2011, yeah. So I believe the other one was made the same time as well. This one you can see is a little scuffed up. The E from the Polar-Aire was supposed to be an E at the end. It's worn off. I had to replace the wire on this. The original wires on these were honestly a piece of shit, and they were very thick and stiff cords, fused plugs, so I had to replace it because it actually broke right here. So I just put a lamp cord on it. I soldered the wires on. I kind of just did that as a strain relief, and it works. Just lamp cord, very thin, flexible. I forgot what gauge wire it is, but it's a very small little fan. It doesn't need much. Yeah, the original one I had that I made a video of back in, I believe it was 2016, maybe 2015, probably 2016. When I moved in 2017, it died. I don't know how it happened, but it got flattened, and it literally got squashed. It was one of the only things that actually got destroyed when I moved. The blade was broken, the cage was squashed in. I threw it out. There was no saving it. It wasn't worth it either. I mean, these things, they're not that common, but you are able to find them. I got poor lighting. I always have poor lighting. You can see it's a little dusty. I cleaned this thing up. I bought this thing a few years ago and redid it a few years ago. I had to oil it, cleaned it up. I really don't use it a whole lot, not as much as I used to, but I use it a decent amount. It's one speed. There's on. It's the same as the other one. If it's up and down. Little shaded pole C-frame motor. These are actually better fans than the little Lakewoods and stuff at the time. They move more air. The air travels a little further. They're a little noisier, but I like the sound of it. It's got a 3-blade little plastic blade. Blade's actually pretty rigid. Little C-frame shaded pole motor, 1 speed. There's not much to it. Yeah, that's really it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.